That's so sad. We could always read it up on always read the atomic zone. We've got more time. Alright, great. Okay, we're going to do our last song, which is one that we've written together, us four, and that feels a really nice way to end it. Because Indy wrote this amazing riff, which I'm very much a fan of. I really love it. I wrote the lyrics. I'm not going to comment on my own work. I think they're good. I think the rest of us think they're good. And yes, these guys have just, because they're amazing musicians, they've just fit into it all. It's great. Anyway, so I'm going to stop talking now and we're going to start. Take it away.
Keep it to first Evans, please go mental for Love and Pigeon! No, you must be not fucking out because that was amazing! one t-shirt. That's the first time a band's merch has ever nearly sold out during their set. So go and get that last t-shirt. By the way, Nick Pooley, who runs the Hunter Club, who's a lovely man, is stuck up a mountain in a blizzard in another country right now. He can't go up, he can't go down, and he's nearly run out of tobacco. Could you all look at the camera which Joe is holding there? And can you all shout, "We love you, Nick! We love you, Nick!" Please get home safely. Right, in about 15 minutes time, we've got Flat Venus. But go mental one more time. Love a Pigeon!